Hey guys, Richard here. So in this video I'm going to give you 10 Clickbank alternatives. Now these are affiliate marketplaces that are similar to Clickbank, but they have some features that are slightly different and may be more relevant to your own business. So guys, just before we start, my name is Richard Darby. This is School of Nomads. I publish videos every single week where we discuss all aspects of affiliate marketing. If that interests you, go ahead, hit the subscribe and notification bell, and I'll let you know whenever I produce new videos. And guys, if you're looking to build a business online using affiliate marketing, go ahead and check out the link in the description below over to the School of Nomads, and you can get started straight away. So guys, let's have a look. So Clickbank is a marketplace where you can go ahead and get physical and digital products that you can promote online. One of the advantages of Clickbank is actually that it's very easy to join the network and also get approval from vendors to allow you to promote their products online. Now, as I said, I've got 10 alternatives to this. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to go through some networks that are very similar to Clickbank first. Then I'll give you some other examples of networks that you can go to find products to promote online. So the first network is Digital24. Now this is a site very similar to Clickbank. They have lots of digital products on here, and again, it's very easy to join. What I will say is there is slightly less variety than you see on Clickbank, and when you actually look into the marketplace, some of the data behind the products isn't so good. So it's quite difficult sometimes to see exactly what's selling well. But this is my first alternative. Second one is Jvzoo. This is a very large network and they really specialize in software type products. This is a great network to find products that are softwares. What you will find is you do have to individually apply to the vendors to promote their particular products. So if you're new, it can be a little bit tricky sometimes to get started, but this is a place where you're going to get a lot of different types of software to promote. Next up, 3 is Warrior Plus. Now this mainly focuses on digital products, mainly in the make money online niche. There is a few more niches that are represented here, so it is worth taking a look, but a lot of products are from that make money online niche, and some of them can be a little bit spammy and a little bit low quality, but there is a wide variety of products on here. There's a lot of data on here around how the products actually do and how they sell, so they have got good visibility on the data behind the products before you decide to go ahead and promote them. Next up is Maxweb. Now this is slightly different. They do a wide variety of products and services on Maxweb that you can promote. So mainly the first 3 sites I showed you on the main of digital products. Maxweb is a place where you can get digital and physical products that you can promote to your audience. Now you will find on Maxweb that you do have to apply for this. I have got videos on Maxweb on my channel where it gives you a beginner's guide to Maxweb and shows you how to actually go ahead and apply for an account here. So it's a little bit harder than somewhere like Clickbank to get started, but once you do, there's a wide variety of products on this particular network. Next up is Impact, and this Impact is one that I really like. Now this is a network that gives you lots of different physical and digital products that you can go ahead and promote. You will find the application system for Impact is a lot easier than, for instance, somewhere like Maxweb, but you do need to individually apply for the offers on here and then wait for those particular companies to accept you before you can promote. But they do work with a wide variety of really large companies, as you can see here. So I do find the products on Impact are very good quality. Next up is ShareASale, a really big network this. You can see on here 225,000 active affiliates. They generated over 182 million sales in 2020. It's over $14 billion worth of revenue. Really large network, this one. Again, you will have to have your own website to join this site. Most of the others you do not have to have a website to start with. ShareASale are a little bit choosy about who they actually allowed to promote the various products and services on here, because you are working with very big companies, and on here you get a wide variety of products and services that you can go ahead and promote. Next up is Amazon. Now we all know about Amazon. That's mainly physical products. They have got the Amazon Associates program. I would come over to this link and check out exactly how much you can earn. It varies wildly depending on the type of products you are going to promote. Sometimes it's as low as 1%. and then upwards of nearly 12%, depending on whether you're going to be promoting things like clothing, whether it's electronic goods. They all have their different commission rates, so it's difficult to tell you exactly how much you would earn off here. But Amazon obviously have got a wide variety of physical products that you can actually promote. Next up is Market Health. Now, Market Health is a really big site that specializes in health products. If I just come back to the home page, you'll see all sorts of different health products on here. This is a great place to find affiliate offers if you're in the health niche. This is probably the best place to join if you're in the health niche, because they really specialize in giving you the best offers in the health niche that you can go ahead and promote. So pop over to Market Health if that's your niche. I would highly recommend this one, and I do think this one is better than Clickbank if you're in this particular niche. Next up, it's CJ.com. They used to be Commission Junction. Extremely big network, this one. 1 billion monthly. They do a wide variety of products and services. They've got a lot of services, insurance services. You've got website hosting services, all different types of services on here for pretty much every niche. You need to come over to CJ, join their network, and you'll find a wide variety of affiliate products on here that you can go ahead and promote. This one has got a really big reputation. And then last but not least is MaxBounty. Now, MaxBounty is a network that really is more around CPA type offers. Now, that's cost per action. So rather than get a commission for a straight sale on a product, which many of these other sites actually targeted towards rather than an action that you actually carry out, if you get somebody, for instance, a phone call, or they get a sign up to a particular product, then you do get a commission just for those actions being carried out. So this is a different type of affiliate marketing, but it's still very, very lucrative if you start to promote the right type of products on these networks. With these type of CPA networks, it does tend to be a little bit tougher to sign up for them, and then sometimes they do want to have an interview with you before you sign up with them. But once you get in, it is well worth it. And again, there's a wide variety of products and services in pretty much any niche that you can actually promote. So guys, I hope you found that useful. There's 10 alternatives there for you. If you want to use Clickbank, there's a wide variety of sites that do both physical and digital products, as well as lots of different services that you can promote any niche and you can make a commission. Thanks for taking the time to watch the video. My name is Richard Darby. This is the School of Nomads. If you haven't been over to the channel before, don't forget to hit that subscribe and notification bell, and I'll let you know whenever I produce new videos. And guys, if you're serious and you want to build a business online using affiliate marketing, go ahead and check out the link in the description below over to the School of Nomads, and I'll take you through the whole process completely for free, step by step. Until next time, guys, take care.